Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Lucky Kumari of class 12, is going to teach you the lesson My Mother at 66. So, the author of this poem is Kamla Das. She was born in Malabar, Kerala, and in the year 1934. The essential characteristic of her is that she is writing about the virtualities of the life that are related to the real life, and one of her these poetry is My Mother at 66. So in this poem, if I talk about the theme, is that she captures the complex subtleties of human relationship in a lyrical idiom. Lyrical idiom means that in a almost in a single statement, and one of the essential characteristic of this poem is the same, that this complete poem is written in a single statement. So I was talking about the theme of this poem. She captured the complex subtleties. What does the subtleties means? Subtleties means the small things, the very small. जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं हिंदी में बारीकियों के बारे में बात करी है, जो इंसान का जीवन होता है उसकी छोटी छोटी बारीकियों के बारे में इसमें बात की गई है. Complex subtleties of human relationships. Human relationships in this poem is the relationship of a daughter with her mother इन अ लिरिकल ईडियम, और एक अच्छे से रिदमिक वे में वो रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं इस पोएम में. सो स्टार्टिंग द पोएम. ड्राइविंग फ्रॉम माई पेरेंट्स होम टू कोचिन लास्ट फ्राइडे. नाउ शी वॉज going back to the Cochin airport last Friday from her mother's home, and she was driving the car. Driving from my parents' home. She was driving from the parents' home, that is from her mother's home, to the Cochin airport. She was driving to the Cochin airport last Friday morning. I saw my mother beside me. Beside means near me. She was the author's mother was sitting beside her, that is near her. Doors opened mouth. Now the Cochin airport, when she was going to the Cochin airport, her mother has dozed off. Dozed off मतलब कि she took a light sleep, मतलब हल्का सा वो एक, जिसे हम हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं, एक झपकी मार रही थी. तो ओपन माउथ, और उनका जो मुंह था उनकी मदर का, वो मुंह था हल्का सा खुला रहता है. तो व्हेन द ऑथर वाज ड्राइविंग द कार, शी लुक्ड एट हर मदर in this condition when her mother was dozed off, open mouth. Okay, her face ashen like that of a corpse. उनकी मदर का जो फेस था, her face was looking like a corpse. Not only her face, complete body was looking like a corpse. Corpse मतलब एक हम बोलते हैं लाश, हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं लाश, ठीक है. तो ashen मतलब हो गया कि जैसे जलाने के बाद जो ऐश रह जाता है नीचे ना, तो ashen like a corpse, जो उसका कलर होता है लाइट ग्रेइश कलर होता है, सेम फेस उनकी मदर का वहाँ पे लग रहा था. हर फेस एशन लाइक दैट ऑफ अ कॉप्स. उनका जो फेस था, उनकी मदर का जो फेस था, दैट वाज लुकिंग लाइक अ corpse and light grayish. Okay, and realized with pain. And realized with pain here what means, that she felt the old pain. Further it is determined that she felt the old pain in her childhood, that she will one day go away from her mother. And realized with pain, उन्हें वहाँ पे वही पेन दोबारा फील हुआ, ठीक है, ग्रीव. And that she thought away and looked okay. When she was seeing her mother in that condition, she was a little bit frightened about the thought that her mother has almost dead or looking like a corpse. Okay, so to put away her mind from this her mother view, she started looking out of the car's window and looked, but soon put that thought away. और इस जो थिंकिंग उनके मन में आ रही थी कि मेरी मदर का फेस ऐसा लग रहा है, कहीं इनकी डेथ तो नहीं हो गई, तो इस थॉट को हटाने के लिए शी स्टार्टेड लुकिंग आउट ऑफ द विंडो एंड लुक आउट एट यंग ट्रीज स्प्रिंटिंग. शी लुक्ड व्हेन शी मूव्ड अवे हर फेस आउट ऑफ द विंडो, she is describing here that she saw young trees. Young trees means small trees, green trees. Okay, green trees sprinting away. Sprinting means the trees were passing by, sprinting. We can relate here. We know the meaning of sprinters. Sprinters, the person who are running in a marathon race, how fast they are running. So when the author was driving the car, the young trees was passing by very fastly. The merry children spilling out of their homes. Merry children means happy children were coming out of their homes, Okay, now here in these two lines, what the author want to convey us, that looking at the outside world, she felt the vitality of the outside world. Vitality means बाहर की जो जीने की शक्ति है. छोटे बच्चों को देख के उन्हें ये लगा कि देखो बचपन में सब कैसे खुश रहते हैं. यंग ट्रीज को पासिंग बाय करके देखा, जब वो यंग ट्रीज पीछे जा रही थी, क्या उन्हें लगा कि एक टाइम के साथ सब कुछ पास हो जाता है. ठीक है. बट आफ्टर द एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी चेक, अब क्या हुआ, एट द एंड शी वॉज at the airport. Now at airport, after the checking procedures, but after the airport security check, जब security check हो गई, after the security check यानी कि security check के बाद, standing a few yards away, standing a few yards means this is the security check. Here the security check is happening, and when the security check was over, the author was a few yards away from her mother. Standing a few yards away, I looked again at her. Now when she was a few yards away from her mother, she turned over to her mother again. Okay. Wan pale as a late winter's moon. Wan means colorless yellow. We can say pale also means the same thing, that colorless means we can say हिंदी में अगर बोले कि colorless yellow क्या हो गया कि जो थोड़ा सा डल येलो होता है, एक होता है ब्राइट येलो जैसे सन का कलर होता है, और एक डल येलो होता है जैसे पत्ते जब पीले पड़ जाते हैं तो वो कलर हो जाता है हल्का सा, है ना. तो वैन पेल एज अ लेट विंटर्स मून. लेट विंटर्स मून यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा वर्ड यूज किया गया है. व्हाट डज दिस मीन? लेट विंटर्स मून इज रिलेटेड टू द वर्ड वैन एंड पेल. नाउ हाउ कैन वी रिलेट ईच अदर? If we see the late winter's moon look like dull. Okay, when जब चांद पूरा फुल मून निकलता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइटनेस होती है, बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट नज़र आती है. लेकिन जब डल मून निकलता है, लेट विंटर मून कैसा होता है, उस पर हल्के हल्के मतलब डल सा रहता है, उसमें उतनी ब्राइटनेस नहीं रहती जितनी कि फुल मून पे रहती है. तो लेट विंटर्स मून का रिलेशन हम किससे कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? वैन एंड पेल से. ठीक है. एंड फेल दैट ओल्ड फेमिलियर एक्ट. फेमिलियर एक्ट मतलब एक्ट मतलब होता है पेन. ठीक है. जो पुराना उनका फेमिलियर एक्ट था, मतलब जो पुराना, मैंने स्टार्टिंग में भी मैंने बताया था कि रियलाइज्ड विद पेन, उन्हें वही पेन जो था वो दोबारा फील हुआ कि कहीं मेरी मदद मुझसे दूर ना हो जाए. ठीक है. Felt that old familiar act. She felt that old familiar act again. My childhood's fear. What was her fear here? That she was going away from her mother, and again she will meet her again or not. Maybe she has a fear that she will lost her mother. Okay. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. Now the last two lines of this poem are very important for the exam point of view. Now, but all I said was, see you soon, Amma. See you soon, Amma. Everybody must be knowing see you soon means every person is saying if he is going away, see you soon again. Means मैं तुम्हें दोबारा देखने की उम्मीद यहाँ पे रखती हूँ, अम्मा. Okay. All I did was smile and smile and smile. Now question here comes that why the author is ending here with smile and smile and smile. The answer here comes that she has a positive determination in her mind that she will confirmly see her mother again when she will be again back from Cochin. In the last two lines, if I conclude the last two lines, that she has a positive determination in her mind to see her mother again when she will be returning back from Cochin. So this was the poem, and hope you all liked my video and support me to make more videos. Thank you.